Faith is funny because if you believe in God or the universe or whatever, there is this certain ability or a third sense that you have that this is gonna work out at the end, even though looking at your present circumstances, it doesn't seem like it's gonna work out. But when you have that absolute faith, because if you are in the middle of a war and you walk into your general's tent and you see him sobbing, it's time to worry, right? But when you walk into your general's tent, and even if you're losing, even if you think you're gonna lose, and you see a solid posture, a solid facial expression of let's go out there, we still have a chance to win, let's go win. The fears would be compartmentalized in a way that you go through with fighting. Even when your intellectual ability is telling you you're going to lose, you have faith because your general have installed that faith in you. God is like my general, right? And when I look up to him, even in the midst of the self-doubt, the self-sabotage, and the things not looking like they're going to work out, and I look up and I see God spiritually telling me, that second voice telling me, keep on keeping on, it's gonna pay off in the end. You don't have the right pieces to the puzzle right now, but it's gonna fit somehow. You ain't got the perfect girl right now, but you're gonna find them somehow, and it's all gonna work out in the end. Like, whenever I think of that, if you can see like the little tears of my eye, like whenever I think of that, it gives me so much solace, it gives me so much assurance that I feel so much peace, so much certainty, and I start to believe that things can work out. And I want to at least pass that belief to you, pass that hope to you, and then you can feel that certainty and faith even in the midst of your anxiety or depression or things not working out, that if you keep doing, if you feel things right consistently on a daily basis, it's all gonna fall in the end. And that certainty, anytime I remember it, it brings so much energy to my day. It brings so much vitality to my day. And I tend to go through my taxes with a lot more optimistic perspective. My vocabularies flow a little better, like they're doing now. Because as I was expressing my certainty and faith, it has enveloped me again. And I feel that crushing and exhilarating feeling of that I know where I'm going, and if I'm consistent, and if I'm steady enough with a few positive actions, I can reach to my destination in no distant time. And that's the faith that I want to pass to you. That's the faith that I want to give you, so you can see what I see in my mind's eye. If I can register that idea in the screen of your consciousness, that you then can start to understand how you can become unstoppable and indestructible.